So hey guys, I just finished work. Today we're gonna go to the Fried Chicken Festival in Auckland. Um, I'm just gonna pick up my cousin. She lives about 45 minutes, ugh, 45 minutes in traffic. So it's a little bit of a drive. Yeah, see you guys there.
What?
What?
Oh shoot, do you think it'll work? In the car?
Yeah, if it's USB, it will work.
Okay. I mean, I have no phone. It's okay. You can charge this. I don't need a phone.
Yeah. Anyway, we just need that for a little bit. So, I'm with my cousin,
Hi.
Maxine. Where are we going?
The Auckland Fried Chicken Festival. But I don't know where it is. I know where Parnell is, but I don't know what St. George's Bay Road is.
Do you have your GPS?
I will turn my data off at like 44%.
No, you just plug it in, put all the details, and then turn off your data.
I have no electricity at home, so it was a struggle having a shower.
Okay.
Do you want me to reverse for you? I'll learn yours with a full.
Yeah. I can't supervise yet until next month. Okay. Let's go.
Let go.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ve y busca mi belleza. No te desesperes, no más. Quieres tú lo que quiero yo. Tú todo me lo traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
See this tropic over there?
Like, look at that.
It's like you're in Manila,
Manila, Philippines.
but
Look at that, it's so long.
times
What the heck?
no divided by 1,000.
Don't ask me math. Crazy.
Sky Tower
Where?
over there.
Over there.
That one. I'm not sure if you can see it, but
But
it's
that thing.
it's there. That
Looks
one.
like a lamppost.
I
Oh, it's
don't think
gone.
so. Anyway,
Okay.
you guys didn't see it. I'll put a picture
Over here.
right here in my face. Oh, we're turning right.
Oh golly.
We're going.
And the favorite rocket ships.
All this traffic for fried chicken.
Worth it. Did
Okay.
So we're almost there. We're 200 meters away. Oh my gosh, this is
200 meters away.
200 meters away.
So it's here.
Yeah. So you have to go all the way straight, like up to that, I think.
Oh,
And then you have to turn right.
right now.
No, keep going.
Turn right onto St. George's Bay Road. Then the destination is on your left.
Turn right.
Right now. Right, yeah, now.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Go.
Hurry
This
up,
lady
man.
is crazy.
Oh, they will
I
play
think
a
it's that
party.
one over there.
It is that one over there.
Over there.
It is that one over
Wait.
there.
Is
find a
there a
parking.
parking? Oh no, this is
Everything-
not
Be
public.
careful. This like road is so like tight. Like how would you?
Because this road is for rich people.
They don't care if their car gets damaged because they can pay for it.
Yeah. So,
We still can't find a parking. See, look at all these
Oh.
people. They're walking. This is where it is.
all for fried chicken.
Well, this is St. George's Bay, so it's here. The
So it's there. It is indoor.
Yeah, I guess so.
Boy.
In
Fancy.
100 meters, the destination is on your left.
That's nice.
69 St. George's Bay Road.
69.
No, I think it's this one.
69.
17.
69.
There is lighting.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's like the night markets, but fried chicken. Oh, there we go.
So we made it, I think. Hopefully we're gonna be all good.
We paid $5 for this event. Oh, well, he paid $5 for this event.
Yep.
Because he's a
I'm
basically
that rich.
he's that rich. So
Are we sure? Can we park here?
I don't know.
Can we park here?
Illegal cars clamped. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, this
Maybe we
lighting
could
is-
ask that security guard.
I mean, everything else is closed behind us or around
Let's
us.
ask somebody if they're going to the festival.
Yeah, there. Look.
Oh yeah?
Kuya, are you? I mean, hello, the Asians too. So, the Asians stick together. He's asking if if we can park here. I don't know.
If we get clamped, then we'll just pay for it.
What?
Magkano lang naman yun eh.
Well,
Get the
Rich-
tickets. Get the tickets.
Okay. Here. You can't see it, but do you need to? So we're here. Oh wait, is this another entrance? We just like came out of nowhere.
Yeah, if you're waiting for people to come in, you'll need to go further down. Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is nature.
Grown up donuts? That's crazy. Oh, donut. Oh, it's so cold here. It's outside. Oh, gelato! That is so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's so pretty. It smells so good. Yummy. Vlogger life, you know? Vlogger life. That's crazy. Live band! Where are we going? Should we go back out there and then, I don't know, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What's this? Creme brulee. That's so pretty, eh? It's so cold. Crazy, crazy stuff.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ve y búscame y me llevas. No te desesperes, no más. ¿Quieres tú lo que quiero yo? Tú todo me lo traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
Chicken in a cone.
It's like the double Dutch fries, like cone and like chips. But it's
Chicken in a cone.
chicken.
57.
Wow. So
See this? This is chicken pieces
in a
with
cone.
in a cone. Spicy mayo sauce. See how it is. Oh, it's huge.
Dang.
Oh fuck! I almost dropped the chicken.
You know what? I'm just like on my end, you know.
Oh my god!
Was it good? Was it spicy?
Not spicy at all.
Let me have some. Oh, look at the slide. It's so bad. We don't have anything else.
Yeah,
There you go.
this is so good. That was about. This was $7. Is that 5 pieces?
It's so good though.
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah?
Oh my god, I like the sauce. What is it?
Spicy mayo.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
It's making my nose run.
It's not spicy at all.
It's not spicy. I didn't get it.
Small fried chicken.
Yeah.
So,
Yo, what's up?
it's all good. So,
Busy?
not too bad. Yo, this is a change.
Thank you.
See ya.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, man. Oh, I love nice people. I love nice people. I think it's just because he saw me eating. He saw me, he was like, dang, that ugly ass girl.
Feeling
Feeling
close.
Yeah, take a photo, bro.
I don't know what we got anyways.
Huh?
I don't know what we got.
It's
Something.
honey soy chicken that was like on fire.
Because of the rosé.
Yeah.
I don't drink alcohol, so
They didn't give tissues.
this is really bad. It's like we can buy a takeaway or something. How much do we pay for this?
$10.
I think we put too much lemon, but it tastes really good. We have to try it. Yeah.
You want to save room for everything else as well, right?
Yeah, good. What's spicy as?
That looks spicy as. Nice. Here, you this? Look at that.
This is Mexican chicken. Looks spicy.
Lobat na! Lobat na ang ano mo. Nice. What is it? Normal.
That's alright.
Should we crack it?
Yeah, crack it.
Crack it? Will it
Crack it.
I'm trying. It's a wooden spoon, so.
I mean, like dessert.
Okay, let's try it.
Good?
Vanilla. Parang ano?
Leche
Parang
plan.
leche plan nga.
Green trucks.
I just walked It's so yummy.
It looks good.
Yum. It looks so good. What's your feelings about it?
It's like a big sushi.
Yeah.
Got the chicken, rice. It's like a
What is that?
it's like a mint. I don't know.
Mince?
Mint.
Oh, I was like, what? That looks good. Okay, my turn. Much preferred.
Is it good lighting?
Yeah.
How's the lighting?
Yeah?
It's good, it's good.
Look at that. What did you get?
I don't know. Wings.
Some wings from
I think I've
Tiger
had
Burger.
enough of chicken.
I mean, this festival is Fried Chicken Festival, so I
Too
mean,
much chicken now.
that's why I got dessert because I just can't.
I want a salad.
Like coleslaw or something. Mama should be coming soon, so. Look at these. These are banana mochi dumpling thingies. Donuts, not dumplings, donuts. Dumplings. Ah, these look so
Spicy.
nice. Thank you, Tiger Burger. Thank you.
Sorry. This is spicy.
I'm gonna have a taste now. He's dying because of the spiciness.
Dying.
Yum! He's surviving. It's so good. I love it.
Oh shit. Here.
We don't have wine in our hand to
This
I'm
lighting's so bad.
I'm so full.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Is there any
god.
lighting in there? Like good?
Yeah.
Not really.
So I'm so
Okay.
full. What was your favorite?
The last thing I ate was the banana mochi donuts. that was really
so
good.
I also love the creme brulee.
Oh, the creme brulee. I think we didn't even say anything about the fried chicken.
No, okay. What was your favorite fried chicken? You didn't like the fried chicken. Your mom's fried chicken's still better, right?
Yeah, I guess so. No, I think I like the first thing we ate, the popcorn chicken thing.
Oh, the Just Chicken.
Yeah, it was like nice and simple and the one that we had, the spicy from Mexico.
That was good as well.
With like spicy.
With guacamole and mayonnaise.
Yeah, and like the seasoning was
Yeah,
really
it
good.
was-
I like that one.
Like a lemon and chili.
Or lime and chili?
Something lime and chili.
Maybe.
So yeah, that
So
was
now-
it. I don't know how the volume's gonna turn out because
It's so
we
loud
don't have
there.
any mics and
We're not fancy, so.
yeah. Everything pretty much ran out of battery. My DSLR, the DJI, what is it called?
Stabilizer thing.
The stabilizer thing.
My phone.
My
is
phone
dead.
is, yeah, her phone is dead.
I
Mine
didn't
is
have-
dying.
I didn't have electricity at home, so I only
So
came
yeah,
home.
I
only
came
here.
straight from work, so I couldn't charge my phone.
Yeah.
Um,
So now we're gonna head to Macca's.
so for some reason in the middle of winter we want ice cream, so
We're gonna get some ice cream.
we'll see if we can get some footage there, but it's alright. So anyway, I had a good time. Did you have a good time?
Me too. Thank you, Kuya, for taking me.
I think I'm not gonna have chicken for like
Now
a
we
month
hit the
or 2
gym.
months. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go gym. We'll see.
We'll see.
Alright, bye.
Thank you.